The toughest meat is tender in 10 minutes. Meat that melts in your mouth. For this recipe, we will be cutting 350 grams of beef, adding in a container, and seasoning with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, an egg, a spoon of cornstarch. And we are going to mix all these ingredients very well. People are already commenting to me, "What city are you watching us from?" That I will send a super special hug to each one of you who comment. Now, in another container, I'm going to add a spoonful of cornstarch, water. We will mix very well and then reserve. I'm going to add a lot of oil in a skillet. Add our meat slices and seal it right. When I seal it on one side, I will be turning it with the help of a fork, which is to seal on the other side, and when you have it, just pick it up and book. Now we're going to be cutting a pepper in strips like this, and also cutting an onion into strips. In the same oil that we used for the meat, we will be putting the peppers and onions. And we're going to be sautéing very well. And guys, today I'm going to send a special big hug to Olivia from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I will now add our meat. Mix very well, and add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 crushed garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a little bit of water, and also our little mix, right? Now let's mix very well, capping, and let it cook for 5 minutes. And our receitinha was ready, and it was a super tasty and delicious meat. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.